Well, I'm going to tell you how I pick a good saw. Handsaw, you know. A handsaw. This is the only power to this saw. So, this is my favorite saw. This is a Henry Distant and Sons. Check this out. Nice sound. Listen to that. I do it all. That's a good sounding saw. A real good sounding saw. This is a Craftsman 4-star. Not my favorite. Let's just put it that way. I'll be nice. A little deeper. Flip that baby. Nah, not my favorite. This is just a little guy. I'll fix the handle. Hey, no, I ain't in it for the handle. This handle, hold easy good this way. Get up. Real soft twine. Yeah, alright, if you get 2 or 3 of them at the same time. This is a measure pole. Not bad, huh? Little stiffer. This Henry, though, is so flexible. Look at that. That's where depends. Anyway, that's how you pick a good handsaw. Well, I do anyway. Well, you guys have a blessed day.